Hey, what's up? Some weeks ago we made a video about Vankyo C751 wireless headphones. I really liked those headphones because of USB Type-C charging port, active noise cancellation, and 30 hours of playtime. However, there are also other headphones with similar specifications, but they are cheaper. I am talking about Vankyo C750. They also have active noise cancellation, 30 hours of playtime, CVC 8.0 microphone. The price of these headphones is about $59 on Amazon. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of Vankyo C750 wireless headphones. We will also find out the main differences between Vankyo C750 and C751. Let's get started. On the front of the box we can see how the new headphones look like. There is also company logo Vankyo and model name C750 headset on the front. On the back there are main features of headphones, such as active noise cancellation, undeniable premium sound, clear and crisp calls, comfortable fit. Opening the box you will find a hard case with headphones, carrying bag, user manual, 3.5mm audio cable, and micro USB charging cable. As you can see, the case is quite big, because the headphones are not foldable. Let's talk about design in more details. I want to start talking about design with dimensions and weight. The headphones are 170 by 200mm. The size of the ear cup is 100 by 75 by 45mm. The weight of the headphones is 229 grams. The first impressions from Vankyo C750 is that they are very comfortable. They are made right for my ears. The headphones are not folding, but headband is adjustable and ear cups are 90 degrees rotatable. The outside of ear cups has a premium looking finish. All the buttons and connectors are located on the right ear cup. Here we can see ANC switch, microphone hole, micro USB charging port, 3.5mm audio port, LED indicator, and 3 buttons, plus, minus, and power. I think that's all about design. I really like how Vankyo C750 headphones look like, as well as they fit. These headphones are very comfortable. As I already said, Vankyo C750 are equipped with a 3.5mm audio jack. It means that you can connect audio cable to headphones and smartphone. It's a wide connection method, but also the headphones have Bluetooth 5.0 support. You can connect the headphones to your smartphone wirelessly. For this, press the power button on headphones, then go Bluetooth settings on smartphone or any other device and choose Vankyo C750. If we are starting talking about wireless connection, then I have to tell you about battery life. I didn't find any information about the battery capacity of these headphones, but manufacturer promises 30 hours of playtime on a single charge. You should note that this is with ANC off and about 50% volume. Using ANC, the battery life is about 10 hours. Although the headphones are equipped with micro USB port, they provide fast charging support. 10 minutes of charge is enough for 2 hours of playtime. Finally, let's talk about sound quality. Vankyo C750 headphones are equipped with 40mm large-aperture drivers. They also support aptX codec. I listen to all kinds of music, such as electronic, rock, rap, and every genre sounded good. The headphones offer good bass as well as clear sound. By the way, Vankyo C751 have the same drivers and a very similar sound. I think they have the same sound. Even though Vankyo C750 are cheaper than C751. The other feature of Vankyo C750 is active noise cancellation. This is a must-have feature for any wireless headphones in 2020. ANC blocks out ambient noise by up to 90%. I use ANC even when I am in my office. It blocks the noise from air conditions, elevator, and other. It is also a great feature if you often listen to music on the subway, plane, and other transport. As I already said, Vankyo C750 is equipped with CVC 8.0 microphone. I tested the mic, and it is almost the same as on a speakerphone on smartphone. Of course, extra noise gets into the microphone, especially if you are a crowded place, but it is not critical. At the beginning of the video, I promised to tell you about the differences between Vankyo C750 and C751. First, they have a little different design. To be honest, I like design of Vankyo C751 headphones more. Another difference is that 751 are folding, so these headphones have a smaller carrying case. Vankyo C750 are not folding, so the case is quite big. Finally, Vankyo C751 headphones are equipped with USB Type-C charging port. C750 have only micro USB port. The sound quality and battery life are about the same. So if you want USB-C port and folding design, then you better to buy Vankyo C751. If these features are not important for you, then buy Vankyo C750. They have the same sound quality, microphone, and playtime on a single charge. However, they are cheaper by $10, only $59 on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Which headphones would you buy? Write in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.